Hey everybody, this is Brian, head tutor from ScoreBeyond, coming at you from ScoreBeyond headquarters in Summery, Menlo Park, California. Let's take a look at this SAT evidence-based reading question. This question might seem a little tricky at first because it's one of those pesky except questions, meaning whatever the question tells us to look for, the right answer is not going to be that. It's actually going to be the opposite. In order to deal with this question more simply, ignore the word except. Let's just try to answer the question affirmatively, looking for things that are true based on what the second paragraph says. So let's take a look at the passage, particularly at the second paragraph. So in the second paragraph, we can see that the topic sentence tells us that these certain things, weather, fuel conditions, and topography, are huge or key when it comes to fire behavior. The rest of the paragraph elaborates upon that topic sentence. Once a fire starts up-to-date weather information becomes especially critical. Accurate forecasts of wind direction and speed guide fire management strategy and help incident commanders make the best decisions for firefighters and public safety. And lastly, we see that specially trained meteorologists play a big role in looking at specific locations, but also just long-term outlooks when it comes to fire forecasts to help everybody that works in the management of fires. So let's take what we know about the second paragraph, go to the answers, and see again what is true according to the second paragraph. Okay, answer A. Accurate weather forecasts can help protect people from fires. Yeah, that's true, especially when you have highly trained meteorologists. We saw that. So I'm going to give this a check mark for a yes. That was in the second paragraph. B. Fire behavior is affected by terrain, fuel, and weather. Yeah, there was something in the early part of the second paragraph about terrain, fuel, and weather. Answer C. There is a variety of different types of weather forecasts. Yeah, I'm going to give that a check because I remember talking about local forecasts, long-range forecasts for fire management. And then answer D, weather is more important to fire behavior than fuel or terrain. I don't remember the paragraph comparing the types of factors and which is more important when it comes to fire management, so I'm actually going to give that one a no, and that's where this except comes into play. D is the answer that's different from the others. It's not true according to the second paragraph, whereas the others were true. So D is going to be our right answer. It's the one that stands out from all the others. So go ahead and select that one. So there you go. A seemingly tricky except question from the SAT evidence-based reading section. However, if you ignore the except, a little easier to handle. If you'd like extra help on except questions like this one, or questions that ask least or not, or any other type of reading question on the SAT, tap the tutoring button at the bottom of the screen. Or if you're reading this post in our blog, our ScoreBeyond SAT question of the day, then scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the tutoring banner there. You'll see more information on how tutors can help you with the SAT reading section, whether it be with the questions or the passages, or how they can help you with every single skill that the SAT tests. And another way to improve at these questions is to keep coming back to the ScoreBeyond SAT question of the day. We'll have more reading questions just like this one. Okay, see you next time.